Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the physical and basic software connections so you can see changes immediately. Plug a good HDMI cable into the TV and PC, then switch the TV to that HDMI input. On your computer, go to Display Settings and detect the TV. Make it an extended or duplicated display as you prefer. Once done, choose the TV's native resolution, 1080p or 4K, so scaling behaves predictably. This first step prevents blurry results and gives you a clean baseline to adjust from. Now you'll refine how the PC image maps to the TV. In Display Settings, select the TV and set resolution to its native value. This ensures pixels align correctly. Set scaling to 100% first so UI elements aren't stretched, then increase if text or icons are too small. If the image is cropped or has black borders, open your graphics control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, and tweak overscan/underscan or create a custom resolution. These tools let you finish by locking in the settings and testing across apps. Choose the correct refresh rate, typically 60 Hz for TVs, and set the TV as primary only if you want taskbar and games there. Save a display profile in your GPU control panel so you can restore settings quickly. If elements are still off-screen, first change the TV's picture size mode to just scan or screen fit. This often fixes overscan. If that fails, revert to the GPU underscan slider and reapply small adjustments until the image fits perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.